Hi viewers, welcome back. Today again come up with another very informative and very important video, and you are watching Mechatronic Solution channel. And today's video we will learn about this code 187 SID 251-0. This code is of Volvo excavator EC210BLC. So first I let you know the meaning of this code. So this 180 mean the controller. This called controller code. And which controller is detected the code. So this is a vehicle electronic control unit. This code is related to vehicle electronic control unit. SID means subsystem identification descriptions, and that parameter is 251. This is related to the alternator. And what does it mean? 0 is FMI. FMI means failure mode identification. Okay, already have recorded the video while troubleshooting the problem. So I just let you know a small history behind this code. I got a call from the sites. The machine is starting good and its functioning is okay. But when we put the load on the machine, then a battery warning appeared on the screen and machine shut down. When I reach on the site and I check, I investigate the problem, what is the problem is coming. This code was appeared. Because battery warning is coming, I check the voltages on the battery side. The voltages are about 30, 31, 30, 31 like this. So I remove the alternator and I open it and check its regulator. You have watched the video and I will explain later more. So here you can see now I am inside the cabin and now machine is started, and here you can see this code is coming 187 SID 251-0. so I can't see this code inside in the camera screen, but on the dashboard it can easily readable. Okay, so you can also see the battery warning is also coming and also this warning is blinking. So now I will check the voltages on the battery side and show you how much voltages are coming. So here you can see I am checking the voltages on the battery side. So this voltage are, it's too much high. It's almost 30, 31, 30, 29, 31 like this. So the voltage too much, means when the alternator is overcharging. Here is our alternator. I'm going to remove this alternator. Okay, this alternator is overcharging, so I'm going to remove this alternator. After removing this alternator from the machine, I will dismantle the regulator from this alternator. Then I will check the condition of the regulator is repairable or not repairable. So I am going to off the camera, and off camera I will dismantle this alternator. So here you can see I have removed the regulator from the alternator. So I'm going to check it and show you what is the condition of this regulator. Easily remove this one. So here you can see I have so its a component is melted. Okay, you can see I show you it's not repairable. This one is my ICs, and you can see this component. Okay, this one and this one is melted, is burnt. So due to burning these components, one is this one and one is this. Due to burning of due to burning these components, so this regulator not working properly, and it gave the voltages more than required. Almost is giving 31 voltages, so it's not repairable. So show you its connections. This is coming the battery voltages. These voltages coming here on the first pin. So these 5 pins here, you can see 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so these 5 pins coming here, and this is also coming here. This one pin is coming here. Okay, the downside is my electronic circuit PCB, and here this one is my ground, negative voltages. This coming to this pin, and after downsides it came to this carbon brushes. This carbon brushes coming negative. So here you watch the video. The problem was the regulator. I opened the regulator and show you everything, and after that I took another regulator and fixed it. My problem was solved. That is the one. So hope you like this video. Please don't forget subscribe my channel and share this video to your friend